Welcome. In this quick and updated guide, you'll learn how to change the media upload quality on WhatsApp. Whether you want to save mobile data or share photos and videos in the best possible resolution, this setting gives you full control. Let's get started right away. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main chat screen, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three dots stacked vertically. Tap on those three dots to open the menu. From here, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to a new page that allows you to customize different aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Next, tap on Storage and Data. This section is where WhatsApp keeps all the controls related to data usage, file downloads, and media quality. Now, scroll down a little until you find an option called Media Upload Quality. This is the feature we're focusing on today. Tap on it to open the available quality settings. You'll now see three different options to choose from: Auto, Best Quality, and Data Saver. If you choose Auto, WhatsApp will automatically decide the quality of your uploads based on your network connection. Selecting Best Quality ensures your photos and videos are sent in the highest resolution, perfect for when you're on Wi-Fi or have a strong data plan. And the Data Saver option compresses your media before sending, helping you reduce data usage whenever you're on a limited plan. Once you've picked your preferred setting, simply exit the menu. WhatsApp will save your choice automatically, no need to confirm or restart the app. And that's it. You've successfully changed your media upload quality on WhatsApp. Now, you can balance between quality and data usage depending on your needs. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple WhatsApp updates and tech tutorials like this one.